Imagine a land sculpted by ice and wind, a place where time seems to stand still. This is Antarctica, the southernmost continent on Earth, a realm of unparalleled beauty and harshness. Here, temperatures can plummet to unimaginable lows, and winds howl across glaciers with ferocious power. Yet, amidst this unforgiving landscape, life endures, resilient and extraordinary. For centuries, Antarctica has captivated the human imagination. Early explorers risked their lives to chart this unknown territory, driven by an insatiable thirst for discovery. Their tales of courage and resilience continue to inspire us today. But Antarctica is more than just a land of extremes. It's a place of ongoing scientific exploration, where researchers from around the world gather to unlock the secrets hidden within its ice and beneath its waves. Join us as we delve into the mysteries of Antarctica's past, present, and future, uncovering the crucial role this continent plays in the delicate balance of our planet. The allure of Antarctica, this vast, uncharted land, began to grip the hearts of explorers in the late 19th century. This era, often referred to as the heroic age of Antarctic exploration, was marked by daring expeditions and groundbreaking discoveries. Driven by a thirst for knowledge and a desire to push the boundaries of human endurance, these pioneers ventured into the unknown, facing unimaginable hardships along the way. One of the most iconic figures of this era was Sir Ernest Shackleton. His Imperial Transantarctic Expedition of 1914, though unsuccessful in its goal of crossing the continent, became a testament to human resilience and leadership. Shackleton's incredible journey, marked by the crushing of their ship, Endurance, in the ice and his perilous voyage to seek rescue, continues to captivate and inspire. The early 20th century witnessed an exhilarating race to the South Pole, a point so remote and unforgiving it seemed to exist in a world apart. Among the contenders were two formidable explorers, the Norwegian Roald Amundsen and the British naval officer Robert Falcon Scott. Amundsen, a seasoned Arctic explorer, meticulously planned his expedition, relying on dog sleds and a deep understanding of polar conditions. He reached the South Pole on December 14, 1911, marking a pivotal moment in Antarctic exploration. Scott and his team, employing a combination of ponies, motor sledges, and manpower, faced setbacks and delays, ultimately reaching the pole on January 17, 1912, only to discover they had been beaten. While Amundsen's expedition achieved victory, Scott's story unfolded as a tale of both triumph and profound tragedy. Weakened and facing dwindling supplies, Scott and his 4 companions perished on their return journey, just 11 miles from a prearranged supply depot. Their diaries, recovered alongside their bodies, revealed their unwavering courage and spirit in the face of insurmountable odds. The heroic age of Antarctic exploration gradually gave way to a new era of scientific discovery. Expeditions, no longer focused solely on reaching geographical milestones, began to unravel the secrets hidden within Antarctica's ice, land, and surrounding waters. Today, Antarctica stands as a testament to international cooperation, a continent dedicated to peace and scientific research. The legacy of those early explorers lives on, not only in the maps they drew and the stories they left behind, but also in the spirit of exploration and discovery that continues to drive us to understand and protect this extraordinary place. As we delve deeper into the history of Antarctic exploration, we gain a profound appreciation for the human spirit's resilience and the enduring allure of this frozen wilderness. Their stories serve as a powerful reminder of both the triumphs and the fragility of life in the face of nature's raw power. Antarctica is a continent of stark contrasts and breathtaking beauty, but beneath its allure lies a realm of unforgiving extremes. Temperatures here can plummet to unimaginable lows, reaching -76 degrees Celsius in the continent's interior. These frigid conditions, coupled with relentless winds and blinding blizzards, create one of the harshest environments on Earth. The very air itself seems to crackle with cold, and exposed skin can freeze in a matter of minutes. Survival in this environment requires specialized clothing, meticulous planning, and a deep respect for the unforgiving power of nature. One of the defining features of Antarctica's climate is the polar vortex, a swirling mass of cold air that forms over the continent during the winter months. This vortex, trapped by the extreme cold and the Earth's rotation, generates fierce winds that can reach speeds of over 320 kilometers per hour. These katabatic winds, as they are known, roar down the slopes of the ice sheet, scouring the landscape with incredible force. Structures, whether man-made or natural, must be built to withstand their relentless assault. Antarctica may seem like a world of ice and snow, but it is, paradoxically, a desert, the largest and driest on Earth. The annual precipitation here is less than 200 millimeters, most of which falls as snow. This lack of moisture, coupled with the extreme cold, creates an environment where liquid water is a precious rarity. The ice sheet itself, a vast reservoir of frozen fresh water, holds the key to understanding Earth's past climate and the potential impact of future climate change. Locked within its layers are ancient air bubbles, trapped for millennia, providing scientists with a glimpse into atmospheric conditions from a bygone era. Despite the harsh conditions, life in Antarctica persists, demonstrating remarkable adaptations to this extreme environment. Certain species of lichen and algae, pioneers of the frozen desert, cling to exposed rocks, drawing sustenance from the meager sunlight and moisture available. These hardy organisms form the base of a delicate food web, supporting a surprisingly diverse array of life, from microscopic invertebrates to iconic species like the emperor penguin, a testament to nature's enduring ability to adapt and thrive in the face of adversity. No animal embodies the spirit of Antarctic resilience quite like the emperor penguin. These majestic creatures, the tallest and heaviest of all penguin species, are masters of survival in this extreme environment. Their very existence is a testament to nature's ability to adapt and thrive against all odds. Emperor penguins breed during the depths of the Antarctic winter, a time when temperatures plummet and blizzards rage across the continent. The females lay a single egg, then embark on a perilous journey to the open ocean to feed, leaving the males behind to incubate the precious egg. While the icy landscapes of Antarctica may appear desolate, the surrounding Southern Ocean teems with life. Whales, seals, and a rich diversity of marine life thrive in these nutrient-rich waters, their lives intricately connected to the rhythms of the ice. Among the most iconic inhabitants of these waters are the humpback whales, giants that migrate thousands of miles to feast on krill, tiny crustaceans that form the foundation of the Antarctic food web. Orcas, intelligent and highly skilled predators, patrol these waters, their presence a reminder of the constant struggle for survival. The skies above Antarctica belong to a remarkable group of birds, perfectly adapted to life at the edge of the world. Albatrosses, with their incredible wingspans, ride the winds for hours on end, covering vast distances in search of food. Penguins, flightless but highly skilled swimmers, navigate the icy waters with agility, their sleek bodies designed for speed and efficiency. Adelie penguins, named for the region of Antarctica where they were first discovered, are among the most abundant penguin species, their comical waddles on land belying their grace in the water. While the larger animals of Antarctica often capture our attention, it is the smaller creatures that play a crucial role in sustaining this unique ecosystem. Krill, tiny crustaceans that form massive swarms, are a vital food source for whales, seals, birds, and fish. Beneath the surface, a hidden world of color and diversity thrives. Sea anemones, starfish, and a myriad of other invertebrates cling to the rocks, their lives intricately connected to the currents that bring nourishment. The wildlife of Antarctica, shaped by millions of years of evolution, exists in a delicate balance with its environment. However, this fragile ecosystem faces increasing threats, from climate change to pollution and the potential impacts of human activities. Protecting this unique corner of the planet requires international cooperation, ongoing research, and a deep respect for the interconnectedness of life on Earth. The future of Antarctica's wildlife depends on our collective actions and our commitment to preserving this pristine wilderness for generations to come. Beneath the frozen surface of the Southern Ocean lies a hidden realm, a world of perpetual twilight where life has adapted to the unique challenges of frigid temperatures, crushing pressure, and an ever-changing landscape of ice. This underwater world, long shrouded in darkness and mystery, is only now beginning to reveal its secrets to science. As sunlight fades with increasing depth, a sense of otherworldliness descends. The water, though cold, is surprisingly clear, allowing glimpses of a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. Strange and wonderful creatures, many found nowhere else on Earth, have adapted to thrive in this extreme environment. The frigid waters of the Southern Ocean may seem inhospitable, but they are, in fact, incredibly rich in nutrients. Upwelling currents bring vital nutrients from the depths to the surface, fueling a remarkable explosion of life. From microscopic plankton to giant squid, the food web here is complex and interconnected. Sea anemones, their tentacles swaying gently in the current, cling to rocks alongside sponges of every imaginable shape and size. Schools of fish, their scales shimmering in the dim light, dart through forests of kelp, seeking refuge from predators. This underwater world is a kaleidoscope of color and movement, a testament to nature's boundless creativity. The Southern Ocean is home to some of the most iconic marine predators on Earth, creatures that have captured the imagination for centuries. Leopard seals, with their sleek, spotted bodies and formidable jaws, are apex predators in this ecosystem, their presence commanding respect. But perhaps the most awe-inspiring denizen of the deep is the colossal squid, a creature of mythical proportions. Larger than even the giant squid, the colossal squid is rarely observed in its natural habitat, its massive size and fearsome appearance fueling legends among sailors. The hidden world beneath the ice of Antarctica remains largely unexplored, a vast and mysterious realm holding countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. As climate change continues to impact our planet, understanding this unique ecosystem becomes increasingly crucial. Scientists are working tirelessly to study the life cycles, adaptations, and interconnectedness of species in this fragile environment, seeking insights into the potential impacts of warming waters, ocean acidification, and other environmental changes. Their research is vital to informing conservation efforts and ensuring the long-term health of this pristine and irreplaceable part of our planet. Antarctica is not just a land of icy beauty. It's a time machine, holding within its frozen depths a detailed record of Earth's climate history. Scientists extract long, cylindrical ice cores from the ice sheet, these cores acting as frozen time capsules, each layer preserving bubbles of ancient air and other clues about past climates. By analyzing the composition of these trapped air bubbles, scientists can reconstruct past levels of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane, providing valuable insights into how Earth's climate has changed over millennia. These ice cores reveal that our planet's climate has fluctuated naturally in the past, but the current rate of warming, driven by human activities, is unprecedented in human history. Antarctica is a dynamic continent, constantly changing and responding to forces both internal and external. Scientists use a suite of sophisticated tools, including satellites, ground-based sensors, and oceanographic instruments, to monitor these changes and understand their implications for the planet. Satellites measure the height of the ice sheet, tracking changes in its mass and flow. Glaciologists study the movement of glaciers, monitoring their speed, thickness, and the rate at which they are discharging ice into the ocean. Oceanographers investigate the complex interactions between the ocean and the ice sheet, studying how warming waters are contributing to ice melt and sea level rise. The extreme conditions of Antarctica, from the frigid temperatures to the lack of sunlight during winter, have driven remarkable adaptations in the organisms that call this continent home. Scientists study these adaptations, seeking to understand the limits of life and the potential for life in other extreme environments, both on Earth and beyond. Extremophiles, organisms that thrive in conditions considered hostile to most life, are of particular interest. These organisms, whether they be bacteria that can survive in sub-zero temperatures or lichens that can withstand intense ultraviolet radiation, offer clues about the potential for life in other extreme environments, such as the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Antarctica's remote location, high altitude, and dry, stable atmosphere make it an ideal location for astronomical observations. Scientists have built telescopes in Antarctica that take advantage of these unique conditions to study the cosmos, from the faintest whispers of the Big Bang to the formation of stars and galaxies. The South Pole Telescope, for example, observes the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. Other telescopes in Antarctica study distant galaxies, supernovas, and other celestial phenomena, providing insights into the fundamental laws of physics and the origins of the universe. Antarctica, though geographically isolated, is intimately connected to the rest of our planet. The fate of its ice sheet, its wildlife, and the scientific discoveries yet to be made here depend on the choices we make today. Global cooperation and a shared commitment to stewardship are essential for preserving this pristine continent for future generations. As we continue to explore and learn from Antarctica, we are reminded of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth and the profound responsibility we have to protect the planet we call home. The discoveries made in this frozen wilderness have the potential to shape our understanding of the universe and guide our actions as stewards of a fragile planet. As our journey to Antarctica draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and humility. This continent, so vast and seemingly barren, has revealed itself to be a place of extraordinary beauty, resilience, and scientific importance. From the towering glaciers sculpted by time and wind to the tiniest creatures thriving in the depths of the Southern Ocean, Antarctica has captivated our imaginations and expanded our understanding of the natural world. We have witnessed the incredible adaptations of life in this extreme environment, from the emperor penguins enduring brutal winters to raise their young, to the microscopic extremophiles thriving in conditions that would be lethal to most other life forms. These creatures, each perfectly adapted to their niche, remind us of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the remarkable power of nature to find a way. But Antarctica is more than just a place of wonder and discovery. It is a crucial barometer for the health of our planet. The ice sheet, a vast reservoir of fresh water, is losing mass at an alarming rate due to climate change, contributing to rising sea levels that threaten coastal communities worldwide. The Southern Ocean, a vital carbon sink, is becoming more acidic as it absorbs excess carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, with potentially devastating consequences for marine life. The future of Antarctica, and indeed the future of our planet, depends on our collective actions. We must reduce our greenhouse gas emissions, transition to clean energy sources, and embrace sustainable practices that protect our oceans and natural resources. The time for complacency is over. The time for bold, decisive action is now. Let us heed the lessons learned from this icy frontier and work together to create a more sustainable future for all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, Creature Journeys.